Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to unbox one of the world's famous 200 megapixel which was launched in 2022. So finally we have over here a Motorola Ace 30 Ultra. As you can see, they have a very good eco-friendly packaging. See it? It's a nice upgrade from Motorola. So this phone I brought it from Amazon. So let me open it up. I've already opened it up over here. I just open it up the phone. So over here we have the phone which comes with it. So we have the phone. So this is the phone which I bought from Amazon. So this is an Interstellar black color. I'll just keep it aside over here. So let us see what else we have in this box. So we have the adapter of 125 watts, which is among the best any other phone here. So we have the 125 watts adapter type C. So let me keep this aside over here. Then we have a type C to type C charger, as you can see over here. That's it. This is nice charger. Okay, there's nothing else. Is there anything else you can see? Something else here, and then we have something over here. Oh, that's it. So over here we have the phone cover. It's transparent, and over here we have the pins as well. Okay, so let me keep this aside. So this phone cover over here, so it's a very good quality, as you can see. Okay, if you want we can put it just now, the phone. Yeah, that's perfect fitting, you can see. It's a nice phone. Okay, so speaking about the phone, let me just turn it on as well. Okay, so speaking about the phone, it has a 6.67 inch display with a 144 hertz of refresh rate. So it weighs around 198.5, as you can see. Oh, that's a Hello Moto, yeah. So this phone I bought it of variant 12 GB RAM and 256. And here, as you can see on the cover, so it has a 12 GB plus 256 GB RAM. So it's approx 236. Okay, so it has an Android 12, which I can later on upgrade to Android 13 as well. Okay, so it's showing me to insert a SIM over here, SIM 1 and SIM 2. So this I will do later. Okay, so as you also know, this is the best chipset phone of Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. So let me just remove this. Just remove it off. Okay, so speaking about its camera, it has a 200 megapixel wide camera, then the 12 megapixel telephoto lens, and a 50 megapixel ultra wide camera. So the back camera can record up to 8K and 4K. And speaking about the front camera, it's a 60 megapixel wide camera, so which can record up to 4K videos. And speaking about the battery which they have provided this time, it's 4610 mAh. So before I had a phone of Motorola E4 Plus, which I'm recording now. So it had around 5000 mAh battery. So comparatively it's around the same. So it supports wired charging as well, as you can see over here, with 125 watts, and it also supports wireless charging of 50 volts, and it can also reverse charge at 10 voltage. Okay, so I would recommend this phone for someone who's going to buy at like 700 quid, something around there. So because it has a lot of features, now I will use it for maybe around 1 week, and I will give the camera quality feedback and its other feedbacks as well in my later video. So you can buy it if you need it, because this phone is one of the best phone which I've ever seen. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you guys like the video and subscribe to my channel, so I will be making more videos as well with this phone, and see you in my next video. That's it. Close it off. Closing off. Thank you guys. Have a nice day. See you in my next video.